5-star beach property with a full-service spa. Catch some rays at the nearby beach or spend the day relaxing at IK Hotel's Green Palace's full-service spa. Then enjoy a meal at one of the property's 7 restaurants. IK Hotel's Green Palace offers 429 air-conditioned accommodations with free minibar items and safes. Rooms open to balconies or patios. Satellite television is provided. Bathrooms include bathrobes, slippers, complimentary toiletries, and hairdryers. Guests can surf the web using the complimentary wireless internet access. Business-friendly amenities include desks and phones. Housekeeping is provided daily. 4 outdoor tennis courts and a health club are featured at the property. 5 outdoor swimming pools are on site along with an indoor pool. In addition to a seasonal outdoor pool, other recreational amenities include a water slide, a sauna, a fitness center, and a children's pool. The recreational activities listed below are available either on site or nearby. Fees may apply. Williams Spa Beauty Center has 6 treatment rooms including rooms for couples. Services include Swedish massages, Thai massages, facials, and body scrubs. A variety of treatment therapies are provided, including aromatherapy. The spa is equipped with a sauna, a spa tub, and Turkish bath hammam. The spa is open daily. Children under 17 years old are not allowed in the spa without adult supervision.